Okay, welcome back sa ating channel at ito na ang kadugtong ng ating Lightroom tutorial nung nakaraan. Medyo natagalan pero at least ito nasundan na. This tutorial is about Lightroom mobile naman. So, what's the best export settings for your photo para sa Facebook? So, simulan na natin. Ayan, so buksan natin ang Lightroom. And make sure na updated yung Lightroom nyo. Free naman ang Lightroom mobile sa phone. Not unless gusto mo mag-subscribe. So, pwede naman. May subscription naman siya. Let's go straight to the point. Let's open up a photo para sa gagawin nating example. For this one, I-export natin to for Facebook. So, all you need to do is tap yung share button. And then, dito sa baba is export as. So, yan yung pipiliin mo. When you click that, meron kang option, JPEG, largest dimension 100. Kumbaga, yan yung default. So, ang gagawin natin is to maximize yung high quality resolution or high quality photo na i-upload natin kay Facebook. Same thing dun sa Lightroom desktop. Here, meron ng default dito is small, 2048. Yun yung dimension niya. That is longest side. So, all you need to do is just select that and then adjust the quality into 90% or 80%. 80% will do. Pero kung gusto mong medyo mas detailed siya, you can go for 90. But 80%, you can't go wrong with that. Then, ayun na, export. So, may other option naman dito. Let's say you want to export for your Instagram. Instagram usually 1080. So, instead of 2048, paano mo siya babaguhin? Ang gagawin mo lang is select mo yung custom. Then here, the long side, pipiliin mo lang or siset mo lang into 1080. Ayan. Okay na. And then you export. Ngayon, let's say gusto mo pang i-customize siya, yung export settings mo. There's an option dun sa baba. Kiklik mo lang siya. Tap mo lang. Then, meron dito yung metadata. Yung mga location info, you can turn that off. Caption, camera raw info, pwede mo i-turn off yan. Pero kung gusto mong kasama doon yung mga details kung anong ginamit na phone or anong gamit na camera dun sa photo, just turn it on. And then, you can change the file naming as well. For example, magko-custom name ka. Lagay natin dito, tinapay. Ayan. Walang maisip na pangalan. Okay, yan. Custom name, tinapay. Output sharpening, ito na yung katulad din nung nasa Lightroom desktop na kapag ka nag-export ka is lalagdagan pa niya ng sharpening yung yung photo. By default, nakanan siya, pero pwede rin siyang lagyan mo screen. So, para mas enhance niya yung detail or sharpness para sa screen. Ayun, after mong piliin yung screen, meron kang option dito na amount. Pwede mo siyang i-select. Low, standard, tsaka high. So, kung gusto mong magdagdag pa ng sharpness, then just go for high. Pero standard will do. Pero kung gusto mong medyo konti lang yung enhancement niya sa sharpness, then go for low. Then make sure na yung color space is sRGB. Yun lang. Then after that, press the arrow back button and click on the check mark. Yan, nag-export na siya. After exporting, then you can just upload it into your Facebook or to your Instagram. This is very short tutorial para lang malaman nyo na you can do whatever you do from your desktop and to your mobile as well. So, check natin yung photo. Let's go to my gallery. Alright, hanapin natin dito yung Adobe Lightroom. There you are. Okay, so ito na yung mga in-export natin. So, ito yung last part na in-export natin. Check natin yung details. Ayan. Ang details niya is 185 KB. So, maliit lang siya. Then, resolution is, yung longest side niya is 1080. Ayan. So, this is good for uploading in Instagram. And then, nandito pa rin yung details kasi sinama natin siya dun sa metadata. And, if you'll see the photo, yung quality niya, okay pa rin. Okay pa rin siyang i-upload sa Instagram, then that will not lose any quality. Now, yung isang in-export natin is this one. And, let's see yung details. 1080 pa rin. Ito yung isa. Eto. This one is the 2048 pala. 449 KB. Wala pa siyang 1 MB. And it's a good thing kasi usually less than 1 MB talaga na-require ng Facebook or Instagram. Now here, tinanggal ko yung location. Natira lang is yung camera details or camera info. So, nandito siya. Then, check natin yung quality. Yan. Good pa rin siya. See? Halos walang pinagkaiba. Ayan. So, once you upload this into your Instagram or your Facebook, maganda pa rin yung quality na makikita ng mga viewer mo. Ayan. So, ayan lang guys ang ating tutorial. Very, very quick. I hope madudugtungan pa natin tong tutorial na to. Makagawa pa ako ng bagong tutorial And kung bago ka sa channel na to, you can click on subscribe para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod kong mga videos. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo madalang ako mag-upload ng video, but pipilitin ko po na makapag-upload para meron kayong aabangan every now and then. At least once a week, yun muna yung goal ko. But hopefully makagawa ako ng mas maraming video pa para sa inyo and mas maraming tutorial. Sige, hanggang sa muli.